finish. Today that he gonna learning about chapter 2, language learning and teaching, and I would explain you from what about my thinking or what is my idea. That was about the introduction. I have three main points. That the first one that we talk about learning a kind of which is a long and complete understanding. That means that like us, already that nowadays we try to learn a kind of language, that means English language. That it that can be difficult, or we need to learn it or to get to know or practice. That means long time to be one that can be a good student, or can be an expert, or can be a master of English. Then we need a long time for them trying to do anything one of language or kind of way that we cut off. That means like when we was young, that means we study a mother tongue language. Also, we did spend a long time, and what is difficult and what if the obstacle that we push to learn it or to win to yourself, what is the goal that we need to complete it for learning one new language or maybe our own language. Then like this. And one more thing that your whole person is afraid. And in this that we talking about when you study or learning the new or one other language, or can be kind of way of foreign language, foreign language, that we get to that we learn about something new, that we would try to create about a schedule or preparing something, or you can be ready to get the knowledge from that subject, or be confident or have a high expectation for the new subject or the new language that you focus on, that you want to learn, to get to know what is that language mean, what is about the skill in this language and how to grow it. And we need to know about the new culture, the new way of thinking or feeling or acting. That means that we learn about one language or language, like we learn other language, English, Chinese, Japanese, or whatever. That we need to know too about culture. That means that the country culture, like Japan, we need to know about the Japanese culture, or the way of thinking, or what is the action of the Japanese. That means the Japanese or that is. And one more thing that talk about the other metric of family, total of including as one second language. That means that it can be easy the way that you can send or receive the message. That means easily, or you can that can be reply to them immediately or fastly, or to be a good speaker or listener. That means that the involved of it can be your physical, your body language, or your sign or any. It can be voice or time of your voice, they can be your pronunciation, or any activity that you can show them, or you can use it to send to the other, or you can receive from the other people. I mean that the way that they communicate with you, the way that they sending the information to you, or what is the technique that you could learn from the more, I mean the new, can be the new information, or can be the other theory or experience from that in this the last part. I mean it's important to talk about it, the way that you sending or receiving the message in the scan language, that it should involve or include anything outside like body language, or what your mind, your confidence, emotion. That is, thank you.
Okay, good, thank you. Right? Okay.
Friend point, I'm gonna continue about that. And then you will be wonder what is SLA. And right now I'm gonna tell you about what is SLA. SLA is the process of learning the second language, and can be that the language that the learner learn the different, can be the different way of the native language. For example, we nowadays or recently we are learning the second language, and the way the process of learning that second language is different from the native of language, and also that focus on which people they have their own process of learning that language, and also the language that the learner they already know the language that they are going to study, and can be after that the influence of the process can be called language transfer. Thank you.
Okay, good, thank you. Right? Okay.
Again, now I present continue about the corrected issues in the second language acquisition. As we know that SRA, it means the second language acquisitions. We have 6 points that can improve a process our language, like who, what, how, when, where, and why. For example, about what talk about something that we want to know, like what is this, or what are they, and so on. And how talk about the find something, or the how we can talk about the way to do something, like how we improve our learning, or how we improve our speaking too. And about when is talk about time, like when are you alright school or something else. And about where we talk about the place, like where is the Cambodia located in. And the last one talk about the why is asked about the reason, like why you study English also. This all.
Okay, good, thank you. Right? Okay.
Okay, I want to say good evening teacher again and good evening everyone. For my point, I will explain you about the definition of language. I think maybe you know it already about definition of language, and I just want to show you more and clear about it. Language is just a complex and specialized skill which develop in child spontaneously. Child spontaneously means just like individual learning without constant effort or formal instruction. Is deployed without awareness of its underlying logic. Equality the same in every individual and distinct from general ability to process information behavior intelligently. The definition is just quote from Pinker, The Language Instincts, 1994. That's all.
Okay, good, thank you.
Please learn about the language is a system of ability, like system of ability like conventional vocal writing and suggestion, cyborg and enable number, and giving communicate to a community to communicate intelligence like with one another. Then we want to talk about like it's body language. We want to explain somebody to understand that we want to talk about like where like idea like blah blah blah. For this another point, depending on the how fussing you were in your response, you might also have include some mention of like like about activity, like about a slow idea that you're talking about something that that thing that you want to talk about. What I think that I want to be a thing with another one. What I don't understand like blah blah blah. When to creating of the language like a body language, the same as the first, like to the primacy of speak over writing, like I think yes, to talking right, you is writing okay. I think right. Material I don't know, but I think right. When you want talking or writing, when this the question this answer right, but you don't understand about right at all in this the reason primacy of speak over writing. Yes, and C for a universal of the language among a human being, like all around the world. That all around the world, like talking, like us, all around the world need to speaking English for communicate with another country or another or another foreign people or so on.
Okay.
Yes.
That's it.
Language is the consolidations of the members of position, definition of language. Here, the following composition define this definition. And the language has my point to explain you has the 8 points. The first language is systematic. It means down or acting according to language file plan or language system medical, most model. The second language is a set of arbitrary symbols. The third, those symbols are primary vocal but may also be visual. The fourth, the symbol have conventional line, meaning to which they refer. Fifth, language is used for communication. Sixth, language corporate in a speak community or culture. Seventh, language is essentially human, although possibly not limited to human. And the last, language is exposed by all people in much the same way. Language and language learning both have universal characteristics.
Okay. Clear, clean?
Playing
this point, this my point is wrong explained.
Okay, it's fine. You can answer the question later.
Because it's like open about to do something.
Mhm.
When like a light street, there are three lights, three color. The first color is red color. They like to stop, and second color like the yellow. When
Mhm.
right, when they slow down to stick, then they try. Then,
Okay.
then green color, you can we go.
Okay, good.
Like vậy máy thì mình sẽ dạy một cái dân thư tư từ thân nhân
Cái mi
lại
lại
nữa chị trắng á in hai bao lên ví dụ vậy khơi một cái bao lên kêu